Today I will be sharing with you how to make pigment slime. You will need clear slime as the base to show the pigment and pigment. You can buy these from stores or you can just take eyeshadow. First, the only step is just adding all your pigment in and mixing it evenly. Add as much pigment as you want. You can add glitter as well. Add more if needed. After that, just mix everything evenly. Add as much pigment as you want. The more pigment you add, the darker the color will get. The lesser pigment you add, the not so dark color you'll get. You can also add glitter into this and it'll turn out like this. Like this. Or you can just leave it plain to show how the color of pigment is. I hope that you can follow these steps and make pigment slime. Thank you.